Hi students, this is a tutorial for assignment 6 part B, and it has to do with polymorphism. Remember that polymorphism has to do with when classes have the same function, which one to call, mostly for the runtime polymorphism. We also studied that there are two ways to implement polymorphism: compile time and runtime. During compile time, an example of polymorphism is function overloading. For example, the equal sign, the greater sign, it does different things it depending on the situation. So we achieve this through function operator overloading. Also function overloading, that the same function has do the same things but with different data type. This is a compile time kind of example of polymorphism. The word polymorphism itself means many forms. And here in the geeks, for geeks, they give a good example. For example, a man can be a father, a worker, a husband, and it depends. The man plays different roles uh, depending on the situation, like a father, an employee, a husband, maybe also like plays in some team. So it is kind of take to many different roles. It's the same thing. The polymorphism means that many different forms. So the runtime polymorphism is implemented through virtual functions and pointers. So this is just a little reminder what a polymorphism was. So let me just move to here, and the assignment has three classes, very basic classes: ship, and the class ship has a name and year built. It has a constructor and getters and print. So it's very simple. It has a constructor, two getters, and a string, and then in the and the print. The print function prints the name of the ship and the year built. That's all. So then it has a cruise ship, which is a child of ship. It has these two plus the passengers, and also have a constructor, and the print function prints the name and the maximum passengers, right? So because this is what is important for this class, how many passengers. And then the cargo ship uh, is a child of ship 2, and the additional private variable is tonnage, right? How many tons it can carry. And cargo ship it also has a constructor, and here notice the print functions are all virtual. That means it will perform dynamic binding. So there is something called polymorphic loop, and this is a very good example of the polymorphic loop. You create an array of pointers, in this case 3 because we have 3 classes, and then we create, see the pointer, the pointee of the pointer is the father class, right? And then you create this objects of type ship, of type cruise ship, and of type cargo ship. So this creates these 3 objects, and we send the things that we need to send. And then in a loop, you just using this pointer call the print function. It does dynamic binding as it goes and calls the function that it's supposed to call at this time. And then if we run this, notice name Lollipop, year built 1960, Disney Magic 2400, and Black Pearl is 50,000 tons. So the first is a ship, the other is cruise ship, maybe here in the print, and the other is black pearl. Now here you can even, to see it better, you can see besides the name also, you can say sea out. This is a cargo ship, sea out. This is a cargo ship. Oops. Cargo ship. And then I'll copy and paste this in the other two. In this class. So it's a little easier to see. This is a cruise ship. And this one, this is just a ship. This is just a ship. Or you can say something else, but this is just, see, this is just a ship, this is a cruise ship, and this is a cargo ship. So this is all. The assignment is very basic. I hope this helped you guys, and you have a wonderful day, and see you next time. Thank you.